Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Leaf S. Most people would automatically go for the Plus package. A lot of videos I see online are of the Plus with its higher horsepower and bigger battery, but not many people look at the 40 kilowatt hour version, so that's what we're doing here today. Whew. There was a yellow jacket on this door for about 20 minutes, and I didn't want to get stung, so this one's stickers for a little over $34,000, but there's a ton of rebates you can get, and I think these are marked like in the mid-20s on our website. Of course, very silent e-pedal button, which I will be using. It's really weird to use at first, because you're going to be giving it gas while it's slowing down. It's really kind of counterintuitive at first, but now I'm starting to get used to it. I'm going to go ahead, turn it down. There we go. Wow, that's crazy. The second I turned on the AC, the range went down. Whereas if I shut it off, it goes to 159 miles. I mean, because it's all based on your driving and stuff like that. And I'm only going to be using the AC for the drive. This puts it here in neutral. Doubt you can hear it, but it makes a noise when you're backing up. It goes ding ding. And then when you're moving forward, it makes, you know, just a little noise so people know that you're coming. That's just crazy. You know, and this is the slow version, and it's still a mini rocket ship. It's very quiet. That's one big thing. Honestly, that's what a lot of people like about electric cars. It's just so dead silent when you're driving. And hit it. Oh my goodness. It is so quick. Obviously, it's not as fast as a Tesla, but man, it is a riot. It's so funny, you can hear all the little noises the car makes. Oh, it's such a surreal experience. If you have the opportunity, I highly suggest you test drive an electric car, because it absolutely changes your perception of everything. And it isn't just quick from a dig either. This thing pulls. That's the lane departure warning. Now even right now we're at 40. 45. You know, like, that's quick. You know, you sit there and you take a Versa and do the same thing, you probably, in that time frame, get to 41, 42. But nope, this thing gets to 45 in, like, less than a second. That's crazy. I should say, from 40, it gets to 45 in less than a second. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this thing is so quick. Now, I'm not touching the brake at all. Matter of fact, I don't think I've touched the brake this whole time I've been driving it. Maybe once. That's all the E-pedal. Like, car stops on its own, it holds itself on a hill, and then you just give it a little touch of gas to get it going, lift off, and it stops. It's nuts. It's so freaky at first. That's where the good visibility comes in. You know, when people cut right in front of you without seeing you. Oh, I can't stop doing that, but I got to. Oh my goodness. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.